देश के 76वें गणतंत्र दिवस के अवसर पर माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पित किए राष्ट्रीय समर स्मारक पर और इधर रायसीना पहाड़ी पर स्थित भव्य राष्ट्रपति भवन से देश की राष्ट्रपति माननीय श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू और इस वर्ष के गणतंत्र दिवस के हमारे खास मेहमान इंडोनेशिया के राष्ट्रपति श्री प्रबोवो सुबियांतो के साथ समारोह पूर्वक प्रस्थान करेंगी कर्तव्य पथ की ओर। गणतंत्र मंडप राष्ट्रपति भवन का भव्य हॉल है, वहां से माननीय राष्ट्रपति महोदया प्रस्थान कर रही हैं। राष्ट्रपति महोदया के सैन्य सचिव मेजर जनरल रणजीत सिंह मनराल उनके ठीक पीछे बाईं ओर हैं और दाहिनी ओर राष्ट्रपति के उप सैन्य सचिव ग्रुप कैप्टन अभय अरुण फंसलकर। राष्ट्रपति महोदया के एडीसीज भी सधे कदमों से आगे की ओर बढ़ते नजर आ रहे हैं। दाहिनी ओर हैं लेफ्टिनेंट कमांडर सानिल उमेश पारुलेकर और बाईं ओर मेजर अविनाश छेत्री। देश की राष्ट्रपति माननीय श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू, उनके साथ इस वर्ष के गणतंत्र दिवस के मेहमान इंडोनेशिया के राष्ट्रपति श्री प्रबोवो सुबियांतो, राष्ट्रपति के सैन्य सचिव मेजर जनरल रणजीत सिंह मनराल, राष्ट्रपति महोदया के ठीक पीछे दाहिनी ओर और बाईं ओर राष्ट्रपति के उप सैन्य सचिव ग्रुप कैप्टन अभय अरुण फंसलकर। राष्ट्रपति महोदया को और मुख्य अतिथि को राष्ट्रीय सैल्यूट प्रदान किया जाएगा प्रेसिडेंट बॉडीगार्ड के द्वारा।
And here, let's take a moment to honor the President's bodyguards, one of the most prestigious regiments of the Indian Armed Forces. This elite cavalry unit, steeped in history and tradition, stands as a symbol of honor and pride. And here arrives the historic buggy. Coming back to the President's bodyguards, which is the oldest regiment in the Indian Army, originally known as the Governor General's bodyguards. It has evolved to become the ceremonial and operational unit it is today, with the dual role of ceremonial duties and operational responsibilities. The President's bodyguard is not just a symbol of grandeur, but also of readiness and valor. Dressed in their immaculate ceremonial attire, complete with vibrant turbans, they ride their magnificent steeds with unmatched grace and discipline. Their iconic presence at state ceremonies, including Republic Day, adds to the grandeur of the event.
देश की सेनाओं की सर्वोच्च कमांडर भारत की राष्ट्रपति माननीय श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू और इस वर्ष के 76वें गणतंत्र दिवस के मुख्य अतिथि इंडोनेशिया के राष्ट्रपति श्री प्रबोवो सुबियांतो पारंपरिक बग्घी में विराजमान हो चुके हैं और समारोह पूर्वक राष्ट्रपति महोदया का काफिला।
So that is the ceremonial buggy that will now transport the President of India, Draupadi Murmu, along with India's chief guest at the Republic Day parade, the President of Indonesia, Prabowo Subianto, to the saluting dais where the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, will welcome them. They will be on the saluting dais for the entire duration of the parade. They will be receiving the salute of the passing parade for the next 90 minutes. It kicks off at 10:30 in just about 8 minutes from now.
महोदया का काफिला
The presidential bodyguard now
हो रहा है राष्ट्रपति भवन के भव्य
escorting the buggy towards the saluting dais. The oldest regiment of the Indian Army, in all its glory, in all its shining glory, comes out into the public on one of those rare occasions here on Republic Day and seen in all its splendor. As you can see, it's a very, very nice sunny morning in the national capital, and those who've been anxious about whether they're going to have a nice view of the parade will be breathing a sigh of relief. A lovely view of the Rashtrapati Bhavan as the cavalcade pulls out and moves towards the Kartavya Path saluting dais. That's the cavalcade there with security as the Prime Minister is about to alight from his vehicle. He has just arrived at the saluting dais. Rajnath Singh, the Defence Minister, is there.
संविधान के 75 वर्ष हमारा गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह और आगमन कर्तव्य पथ पर प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी का। रक्षा मंत्री श्री राजनाथ सिंह ने उनकी अगवानी की। रक्षा राज्य मंत्री सीडीएस और तीनों सेनाओं के अध्यक्षों से अभिवादन स्वीकार करते हुए और रक्षा सचिव प्रधानमंत्री की अगवानी करते हुए।
So this saluting base on either side is flanked by 2 VIP enclosures where cabinet ministers, members of parliament, foreign dignitaries, senior members of the judiciary and other special invitees are seated. Well, it's customary when the Prime Minister arrives here. He greets people seated on either side, goes up to them, meets them, interacts with them. Republic Day greetings being exchanged. I think it's a special moment for all present. We do vote for our leaders, we elect them, but seeing them up close, well, that doesn't happen very often.
प्रधानमंत्री के आगमन के साथ ही ये समारोह अपने भव्य प्रारंभ के निकट पहुंचता हुआ और माननीय प्रधानमंत्री गणमान्य व्यक्तियों अपने कैबिनेट सहयोगियों से मिलते हुए उनका अभिवादन स्वीकार करते हुए बहुत ही खास अवसर है। आज गणतंत्र के 75 वर्ष, संविधान के 75 वर्ष और हमारा ये 76वां गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह। दमकते चेहरों पर खुशी, संतोष और गौरव का भाव।
And here we can see the Vice President, his carcade, and behind them the cavalcade of the President of India. And strains of Shubh Swagatam filling the air. The Vice President of India, Shri Jagdeep Dhankar, arriving here, along with his wife, Dr. Sudesh Dhankar.
कर्तव्य पथ पर देश के माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति श्री जगदीप धनखड़ और उनकी पत्नी डॉक्टर सुदेश धनखड़ का आगमन, उनका स्वागत किया माननीय प्रधानमंत्री ने। और हम लगातार सुन रहे हैं स्वागतम की धुन। ये शब्द पंडित नरेंद्र शर्मा के और धुन बनाई है पंडित रविशंकर ने, जो सूचक है इस बात का कि देश की माननीय राष्ट्रपति पधार रही हैं कर्तव्य पथ पर। आज के समारोह के मुख्य अतिथि इंडोनेशिया के माननीय राष्ट्रपति के साथ।
And now the riot of color, which is the uniform of the president's bodyguard, gently coming in towards the saluting base. Rashtrapati ke Angrakshak, on their magnificent bay and dark bay colored mounts, the senior-most regiment of the Indian Army, escorting the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces, the President of India, to the saluting base, as India celebrates her 76th Republic Day. So extending a warm welcome. The Republic of India extends a very, very warm welcome to the President of the Republic of Indonesia, Mr. Prabowo Subianto, our chief guest for India's 76th Republic Day celebrations, arriving here along with the President of India.
गणतंत्र दिवस समारोहों पर ये विशेष अवसर, देश की माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी का आगमन और उनके साथ हमारे मुख्य अतिथि इंडोनेशिया के राष्ट्रपति श्री प्रबोवो सुबियांतो।
India and Indonesia, two nations that share millennia-old cultural and trade links with shared religious traditions of Buddhism and Hinduism, and a strong treaty of friendship and strategic partnerships. In fact, India and Indonesia...
Very warm hugs between the President of Indonesia and the Prime Minister of India. A hug, an embrace between the President of Indonesia and the Defense Minister of India as well. Extremely genial body language, a close relationship, and one that radiates the proximity that these two countries have come under. Remember, Indonesia is in the Southeast Asian region. There have been many, many questions about the China factor here. We are talking now about India wrapping up a deal to supply BrahMos missiles to Indonesia for it to bolster its deterrence against, a territorially hungry China that has been making intrusions into Indonesia's exclusive economic zone. And this is an important relationship. As the President of Indonesia is led up to the saluting dais for India's most important ceremonial day, Republic Day, this diplomatic relationship is emblematic and symbolic of an India that has prioritized its supremacy in the region. These are relationships that India has taken very seriously, keeping in view what the other Asian giant has been trying to do.
Beautiful memories and pictures to take back with them.
And I want to quickly bring in Captain Sharma to talk us over this for just a moment, very quickly, before we hand it over to the live coverage. Captain Sharma, India, Indonesia doesn't get more symbolic than this.
Anthem, the 21-gun salute.
Remember the Boxing Day tsunami? When the tsunami happened, who were the first ones? We, in spite of having taken a hit so badly on our east coast,
Yes.
Indian government, Indian Navy under Admiral Arun Prakash sent the ships with whatever was possible. That is where the world took note of India as the emerging power. Now coming to Indonesia and India...
Captain Sharma, I'll just come back to you. The national anthem is playing.
The commandant of the president's bodyguard, Colonel Amit Birwal,